Hi, Percy Fam! Again, it's Chai.
And Rap.
And we welcome you to this month's Church Alive episode entitled
Believe It or Not,
Pasko na!
At dahil dyan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Santa Teresita del Niño Jesus Parish para sunduin ang mga kasama natin sa Christmas shopping natin for today.
Yes, FRC Fam! Meron na naman tayong kasama in this month's episode. Sino nga ba yan, Rap? Introduce mo na.
I think first and foremost, the National Director of FRC Philippines. We have Father Terrence Abranches.
Hello!
Oh, he's here already. Hi, Father.
Welcome, Father.
to Church Alive. How does it feel being in this episode?
It's really exciting.
Yes. Are you sure you're excited? You're not forced to be here?
Pilit siya, FRC Fam. Pero thankful na rin tayo.
Yes. Oh, he'll have fun for today. Of course, with the rest of our guests for this episode.
Yes, so Father, are you excited to get to know our guests today?
Oh yes, definitely.
Okay, Rap.
So, kilalanin natin sila. We have first and foremost Brother Renz, who is a Capuchin brother serving 2 years already here in this parish. Brother Renz, hello, welcome.
Hello, welcome po.
Welcome, brother.
Welcome.
Welcome
Hi,
sa
FRC
parish.
Fam. This
Hello
is
po.
Brother Renz.
Yes, and of course, Brother Renz, hindi ka mag-isa today kasi the more the merrier this Merry Christmas FRC
Yes.
Fam! Yes, so let's also welcome Sister Debbie, who has been the coordinator of the ecclesial community here in this parish for 8 years.
Yes, welcome, Sister
Debbie!
Debbie.
Welcome! Hello!
Ayan. Hello, FRC Fam. Ayan, nakikita nyo ngayon. Ready na kami pumunta sa Dapitan Arcade for our shopping. But wait, parang magandang medyo may twist yung ating pa-shopping for today.
Ano nga ba
As
yun, Rap?
always, ano?
Yes.
Alright, bago tayo pumunta sa Dapitan Arcade, pwede ba may pa-twist ang ating shopping experience for today? Okay lang ba yun, Chay?
Of course, para mas
Okay lang ba yun
exciting.
natin? Yes. Alright, so ang gawin natin, Chay, the two of us will be buying a decorative item that we will find there, of course, for under 500 pesos lang. Okay, so later we'll exchange yung item na yun. And then, yeah, we'll share kung bakit yun yung naisip natin
Challenge,
na-
exciting
na
yan.
item. Okay,
Okay.
exciting.
Tara,
Alright.
FRC Fam, samahan nyo kami today.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go! Welcome to Dapitan!
Arcade! Kala mo turista, no? Okay. And after our very, very long walk.
Oo nga, napagod ako doon, FRC Fam.
Ayan, doon lang tayo galing, oh. Sobrang lapit ng Santa Teresita dito sa Dapitan Arcade. Father Terrence, is it your first time here? Wow.
Okay.
Yes. For
Naku,
sure.
mapapa-shopping tong si
Oo.
Father.
What are you looking for today, Father? Are you looking for anything? Christmas decorations. Of course, Dapitan is very much known for that. So, tara. Tingnan
Let's go.
natin kung anong makikita natin dito.
Ang dami.
The reindeer,
Wow! A white reindeer.
made of
Kahit
glass.
walang reindeer sa Pilipinas.
Oo, di ba? May reindeer dito. Parang lahat ng pwede mong isipin.
Na
Makikita
about
mo dito.
Christmas, sa totoo lang.
Yes, kahit nga
Yun
di
naman,
about
may
Christmas
mansanas
eh.
nga
Oo,
yung
di ba? Snowman, Santa
Yung mga
Claus,
ano rin,
Nutcracker. Uy, gusto ko
dishware.
to.
Na Christmas
Gusto
edition.
ko to.
Ayan. Lapit pa tayo. Mauna ka, Chay.
Alam mo, FRC Fam, kung may chance talaga kayo, I would highly suggest punta kayo dito kasi I think mura din sila dito. No?
Oo.
Magkano po ito?
550.
550. Malapit
Naku,
na.
malapit na. Wala sa budget, sister.
Pwede
Pero
tawaran?
sobrang cute.
Paano ang pinakamababa?
500.
500. Wow.
Parang pwede na yan, no,
Pwede
sister,
na,
no?
no?
Oh, very meaningful pa. Kasi syempre, Belen nito eh,
Kasi ng mga
no?
bata yan. Tingnan mo naman, oh.
Ang
Attractive.
cute. This is nice. Holy
Oo.
family.
Diba?
Oo. I think, sige, 500 po ito, no?
500.
Ikot pa ba muna tayo, sister?
Baba muna
O
namin, ha?
iyan na natin. Ito ang tinatawag nilang Western influence. Tingnan niyo po, pati yung copies natin, pink na. What? So, Father, this is a copies. You're familiar with this material?
This is what we also have in India.
Ah, yeah. Hanap pa tayo. Baka lang may makita pa tayo. Ayan, mga ano. So, kapag hindi Pasko, ayun nga, mga gamit pang bahay ng mga makikita natin. Oo nga eh.
Ano bang cute? Naisip ko kasi, gusto ko madami akong mabili dun sa budget. Parang cute yung may mug siya. Pero ayun ang Santa Claus eh. Sinabi sa akin ni Rap na ayun ang Santa Claus. Inisip ko,
May idea.
Uy, cute naman. Ito kuya, magkano to? 150? Kasi, pwede siyang lalagyan parang vase, no, kuya?
Oo, diretso ka
Oo. So, parang multi-purpose decoration, tapos pwede ring vase.
Okay.
Sige, balikan kita, kuya. Tingnan ko lang
Sige
kung
po.
anong pwede pang makita. Thank you.
Marami pa po doon eh.
Ay, ang cute! Ito kaya, bigay ko kay Rap.
Santa Claus eh.
Ang laking poste nito. Ang laki, oh. Hala, kahit ko na to. Kahit ko na siya.
Halos.
Medyo. Parang okay na tayo dun sa...
Yung kanina.
Oo, yun. Parang cute yun. Dalawang items.
Dalawang items.
Ay, ang cute. May pink tree. Brother, ang cute.
Oo, marami.
May pa-pink na tree. Wow! Kakaiba. Walang
Ganda,
bilhin.
oh.
Ito ang cute. Wow, ito si Santa Claus
Si
yung may
Santa-
dala. Tingnan niyo to, si Santa Claus yung may dala kay Jesus Christ. Para na-change yung narrative.
Ito, maganda.
Ay, ito. Or ito, Tumbling, an Angel. Ito kuya, si Joy. 350, walang baba. Si Father bibili.
May tawad?
Magkano?
300.
300?
Magkano yung kanina?
250, tsaka 150.
Ah,
Nako!
napakamakana pa tayo ng egg.
Ano pa tayo sa iba? Ganito talaga, pag may budget. Pero, good na yung prices nila.
Oo, mura
Kapag-
na siya.
Ang gaganda ng mga gamit nila dito, tapos mura lang din. So, masayang mag-shopping.
Pero pwede pa rin natin balikan yung nakita natin kanina, sister. Na naghanap lang tayo ng kung may mas makita tayo. Ay, ito
Saan
mga
ko
ano.
kinukuha itong mga ganitong materials? Bicol? From Bicol.
Bicol.
Province.
Mga import. Ito yung mga usually pag normal, pag hindi Pasko.
pag
Ayan
hindi
yung mga
Pasko.
benta nila. Ito, not bad. Ito po magkano yung 350. Parang okay din to sister.
Yeah, maganda
Parang
rin
pwedeng
yan.
bagay kay Chay. Yung sa mga, mga Christmas tree niyan. 200.
200.
Ayan. Sulit na sulit nga. Kasi sabi one
Oo.
item.
One item.
Ito lang po ba yan? Parehong size to dun sa angel na nandun. Actually, maganda.
Oh, wala
Sige.
pa tayo nabibili.
Okay, sige po. Balik po kami, ate. 350, nakatipid pa tayo, sister.
Oh,
May
ito,
pang-merienda pa
Ito
tayo.
pang decoration sa bahay.
Ito, yung mga ganyan
Oh,
nga.
usually, mga offices ito.
Ay, ang saya naman dito, sister. Tinan mo, ang daming ilaw.
Oo.
Wala na palang mga ginagawa.
Driver si fam, tinan niyo to, parang toy store. So, Father, what can you say with the about the abundance of Santa Claus? So, tinan niyo, iba-iba yung mga galaw nila. Meron mga 1,000, 1,500. Pero sulit na kasi grabe yung mechanism niya. Discount my father.
That's a lot of things you can.
Sige, galaw pa tayo dun, sis. Actually, that's really nice. The
Magkano
Holy
po
Family
ito?
also. Do you see that, Father?
950? Or here, Christmas decor. 950?
Ito po ba?
Oo.
Kasi 1.5.
Ito 1.5. Ito 950. Yan yung mga range yung effort si Fam. Nagno-notes ba kayo kung magkano itong mga to? Pero alam mo, sister, parang alam ko na kung ano yung kukunin
Anong
ko
kukunin mo?
para kay Chai. So, Father, what would you recommend that we get Chai for the challenge? You want to explore more?
Yes.
Ano to? Parol, no?
Parol po, maliit.
Parang kuko siya na isang ganito. Ate, magkano yung ganito? 150. Okay? 80?
150.
Brother, kamukha mo.
Ay, ganon.
Si Padre Pio.
Oo, kapatid namin yan.
Oo.
Kapatid.
Brother, naalala niyo
Upuan
kung
lang
saan
nila.
tayo nanggaling. Kasi nawawala na ako at this point. Oh my gosh, ang ganda dito mag-decorate ng bahay. Natutuwa ang aking mata. Ay, cute! Ay, ito in the making. Pag in the making kaya, mas mura. Pagbilin ko yung hindi pa tapos. Ganda ng mga bilin, oh. Naka-light. Magkano yung ganito, kuya?
Large po. 2.5 hanggang 2.
So, 1,000 pag maliit, 2,300 pag malaki. Large yun. Wala, out of budget. Ayan, babalikan natin ngayon yung nakita ko kanina. Sana magustuhan mo to, Rap. Yes, FRC fam. So, syempre, meron na naman tayong another special guest. We have over here our very lovely guest po.
For your accommodation.
So, this is Tita Milda.
Hello po kayo sa FRC
Hello po.
Hello.
Tita, if I'm not mistaken, ang dami niyong pwesto dito. Ilan yung pwesto niyo?
Two store.
2 stores.
Two store
Wow.
only.
And
Full of village.
Christmas village.
Gano katagal na po kayo?
Ako,
Mm-mm,
10
dito
years.
sa business.
10 years.
Paano kayo nag-get into this business of Christmas decorations?
My son and my daughter have many bag, second class bag. Then I put in the store. Then she will give my money.
So parang nung,
That's the puhunan of my daughter and son.
pag Christmas po ba, syempre Christmas yung mga items nyo, may paborito po ba kayo na binibenta?
Ang favorite kong binibenta, Christmas Village. I love this.
Christmas Village talaga, no?
Actually,
Iconic kasi.
Yes.
Very iconic po yung Christmas Village sa atin as Christmas decoration,
Oh,
no?
and actually, pag makikita nyo, parang tititigan nyo lang yung Christmas Village. It gives you the happiness and joy that Christmas brings.
For me.
Tita Milda, siguro isang Christmas message na lang po sa ating FRC fam. Ano masasabi nyo ngayong Pasko?
Ang masasabi ko, ang Christmas talagang sineselebrate natin every year. So, ang mga tao, napakasaya pag dumating na yung Christmas.
Totoo po yan. Totoo po. Kahit
Yes,
kami sobrang excited.
sobrang
September
excited.
1.
December 1.
Oo.
September pa lang.
September pa
nagsisimula
lang,
na
ang
ta.
Pasko na.
Simula na ako ng Christmas Village.
Tama, naghahanap na po mga ano na. Oh, maraming salamat po Tita Milda sa pagpapa-unlock
Chai po.
Chai.
and rap. Rap po. Hello po.
Nice
Salamat
meeting you
po.
po. Nice meeting you. Thank you po.
Alam mo sister, iniisip ko kung anong bagay dun para kay Chai. Maraming mga ano dito eh. Very flashy, mailaw, sparkly. Pero I think something neutral and something that represents Christmas well. So yung kanina natin nakita na pa-angel, parang okay na yun, sister. Tapos may pang-merienda pa tayong 150, no?
Oh.
Kasi 350 lang yun. Grabe, no?
350
Yung
lang.
tangkad na angel. So pwede siyang pang dahil yung kulay niya, neutral lang, pwede kahit saan. Hindi naman yung poinsettia, di na lang po red. Pero ng
Ba't
green,
ibang kulay?
pink. Ito, this is FRC, father. FRC colors. Right? This is FRC. Alam mo, nakapag-desisyon na ako, sister. I'm decided to get the angel for Chai. I think that will be...
Kasi Angel ang pangalan mo.
Angel yung pangalan ko.
Anong pangalan
Tama.
mo nga?
Rafael Gabriel
Rafael
po.
Gabriel. Oh,
Oo.
tama.
Anghel, di ba? Kala mo kung sino.
Tama ka dyan.
Oo. Sige.
She will remember you.
Ayun. Balikan natin yung
Sige,
angel
balik.
na.
Punta tayo sa Angel.
Tara. Pwede po ba yung nagdadasal
Pray.
po. Para magdasal si
Pray.
Chai. Ayan. So Chai, kung nakikita mo to, para sa'yo to. Sabi ni Father, be an angel. Bumibili ka, Chai?
Oo.
Ano kaya yung binibili mo?
Secret.
Nakabili na.
Uy, wag mong tignan. Surprise.
Basta kami.
Tapos na kayo? Ala! Asan nakalagay yung binili mo?
Umutik na. Huwag mo natin.
Ako din. We're budgeting. Asan na kaya si Kuya, no? Ayun, nagbabalot na si Kuya. 300, Kuya, ah. Naibigay. Thank you, Kuya. Okay, ngayon, yung left nating budget, bibilin ko ng something else. Kayo, brother, ano yung mga Christmas traditions niyo ba?
Sa parokya, yung since pumasok ko sa Capuchin, meron kami tinatawag na Gretio Mass. At yun yung hindi yun common na Christmas Mass, no? Kasi sineselebrate namin yun, may reenactment. Kakanta din si Mary sa bandang huling part. At then, si St. Francis nandun din siya sa Belen. Kasi nga, si St. Francis, according to tradition, si St. Francis ang unang gumawa ng Belen at doon niya ginawa yung preaching niya.
Alright, ayan, nakabalik na nga po tayo dito sa Santa Teresita del Niño Jesus Parish.
Ano yun ulit?
Tama di ba? Santa
Tama,
Teresita del Niño Jesus Parish. Kamusta?
Natuwa ako.
Natuwa ka talaga.
FRC fam, nag-enjoy talaga ako. Kita nyo naman sa ating mga footage.
Hindi ko alam kung saan kayo nagpupunta, pero feeling ko sumobra ka sa 500. Pero yun, mga bumili ka na rin ang para sa sarili.
Basta secret
Nag-shopping ka na.
Basta our FRC fam, dito lang kayo. Kasi later natin i-review.
Mamaya yung haul reveal.
Yes.
So abangan niyo yan, FRC fam.
Pero di lang ako nag-enjoy.
Oo, ako.
Parang, hindi
Ano?
lang ikaw.
Hindi lang ako.
Oo.
Actually, nag-enjoy din ang ating mga guests. kamusta po ang ikot natin sa... nag-enjoy siguro si Father.
Si Father Terry,
First
sinabol
time
pa
talaga
natin
dito
yan
sa Dapitan.
Marami siyang nagbili.
Marami.
Father.
Oh, diba, sister?
How was it? How was the experience?
Ang bilis.
Oh, it was really good because, to see all the Christmas decorations in one place, you don't actually get it everywhere. Variety, plenty of stuff that you can actually purchase.
Is it the same, Father, in India?
Well, it really depends from place to place, but it's not always that you get everything that you want in one single place. You will have to go to different places. But unlike what you see here, you want to do your Christmas shopping, you can just plan one single day. You can just get to this place and get whatever you want. I mean, Santa Claus I never seen with a with a parachute and a hot air balloon. So it's really interesting. Also, the kind of things that they have made, of twine. That's really interesting. It's something that I didn't see before.
Very crafty.
Mm-hmm.
Maraming mga iba-ibang materials talagang gamit ang mga Pilipino.
Sister, anong nabili niyo?
May gusto kong bilhin kanina. Di ba, nakita niyo, meron ako unang pinili yung Christmas crib na may Jesus, may Mary, at
Yung
saka
Holy
baby Jesus.
Family.
Eksaktong yun.
Actually,
500,
sakto-sakto,
hindi natin nabalikan. Kasi meron mas magandang bilhin.
Ay!
Excited.
Excited.
Excited! Tingnan natin kung mas maganda nga talaga.
Okay.
Pero babalikan natin yan, sister, para sa inyo.
Brother, na-enjoy mo ba ang ating shopping experience?
Oo naman. Actually, hindi ako mahilig mag-shopping eh. No? Sa buong 2 years ko dito, more than 2 years, parang pangalawa pa lang yun, nakapasok ako.
bilang, no? Pag malapit ka talaga, parang inisip mo, hindi makakapunta ako anytime. Pero di ka makakapunta.
Anong pinaka na-favorite nyo doon na nakita nating decoration?
Yung mga bilhin na detalyado dun sa gilid, although di na natin nilapitan kasi
Mahal.
mukhang mahal sa tingnan
Wala
eh.
out of budget.
Oo.
Father, next
O
time.
pamilya.
Increase the budget. Maybe you should do a haul.
Yes,
Dapitan
actually,
Hall by
we
Father
should go
Terence.
back. We should go back to the Dapitan. When you were going around, Father Terence, I guess you kind of had a glimpse of the spirit of Christmas here in the Philippines. What can you say is different from your experience of Christmas back home?
Actually, the first time when I came to the Philippines, they told me that, the Christmas season actually begins from the month of September. And I thought it was a joke because what are you talking about? Like Christmas on month of September. I didn't take them seriously.
Yeah.
But then when I would go for my ministries and I would, hear the carols in the malls, it's really Christmas because you find the decorations already, in play, especially the commercial places, you already get that mood of Christmas. It's a kind of different feeling because when you know that it's Christmas, you kind of already get into the mood of celebration. And so when you get to the malls here in the Philippines and you hear the Christmas carols, you see the Christmas decorations, you already begin to feel that you're in December. So that's, I think, the biggest difference. One more surprising thing is that, back in India, we have got a particular tradition of building the cribs or the nativity scene, what you call Bilen.
Okay.
So it could be in every family. So the children especially get into this task of actually building these little cribs.
So they craft their
so
own
it
decor.
sometimes we have competitions
Wow.
by individual parishes, awarding the children who would make the best crib. So you would go into the fields, get the straw, dry them, cut them. So there's a lot of activity that is involved in it. Sometimes these events could be at a bigger level. So the entire village would, participate in it. You would have life-size statues of the nativity scene, and there are certain places like people would drive, to go to see these nativity scenes that have been created in different areas because they're really massive. There's also another tradition of the nativity scene where little children will be acting, and then you have Mother Mary and Saint Joseph, the live crib. So at times they are put at the back of a vehicle, and it's driven through especially in the evening, so it looks really beautiful.
Yes, it's a build-up. It's a whole sense of
I think that's one of the things why we
preparation.
call it as a family celebration.
Yes.
Because that's an occasion where everybody are involved in something or the other. Even the kids, it's vacation, but they're involved making the stuff.
Yes.
The parents would be involved with making sweets that are specific to Christmas, which we all look forward because you get it only during the Christmas season.
Very family thing.
I mean, the bilan in itself, di ba, parang family din yun. Family gathering. And I think, hindi nawawala yung essence na same kahit na India or Philippines. Parang nag-iiba tayo sa timeline eh.
The Christmas spirit is universal.
Yes.
It gives joy, it gives peace, it gives a certain sense of unity, especially among families. But I think one thing to note is preparation is also huge
Mhm.
for the coming season. Preparation for Christmas. Kayo po, sister, like, how would you say your preparations go for the coming season here in the parish and in your convent?
So I will talk of first sa aming convent, usually pagka malapit na yung Christmas, nagpe-prepare din, naghahanda din kami ng iba't ibang klaseng bilhin. Bawa sa chapel, meron dyan. Sa salas, meron. Sa mga corner, meron dyan. Parang
Lahat may
yun din ang,
bilhin.
yun ang tradition din namin, Pero dito sa Paris din, ganun din, naghahanda din ng bilhin. Yung inakyat natin kanina na, di ba, simbahan,
Mhm.
Doon naghahanda din, unti-unti, inihanda yung bilhin. Halimbawa, yung bahay muna. Tapos, habang during, di ba, yung unti-unti siya, hanggang sa mabuo.
Kumbaga by episode.
Oh,
yan.
by episode, yan. Hanggang sa mabuo siya.
Pero it
Ta-
starts sa ano kasi,
Oo.
mismong simbang gabi na siya magsa-start.
Oo, simbang
Tama,
gabi.
tama.
Unti-unti na, pag simbang gabi. So, sa November 23 ba, Christ the King, mag-end na yung year
Yes.
na, no?
Mag-start.
And then, mag-start din next week, first Sunday of Advent na.
Yes.
Natatanda mo yung di ba, 4 na Sunday yan?
Ano yung nagsisimula ng candle?
Yung mga symbols
Advent
yan.
wreath.
Advent
Advent
tree.
Oh, Advent tree. Ito, Advent
Hindi,
tree.
yung
Diba?
Advent
Sisindihan
candles
natin
na
yan.
nag-symbolize.
Sa Advent
hope.
season.
Yes, oo. Tapos yung first Sunday, ba? Halimbawa wala, hope yan. So, ang yung tema ng mga homily ay about hope. And then, susunod ay faith. And then, third Sunday ay joy. And then, fourth Sunday ay love. Kasi, kaya nandito si Jesus dahil sa love ng God sa atin. And then, kung sabi, buong season na yan, tinuturuan na yung mga tao, inihanda na hanggang sa dumating yung hinihintay natin pagdating ni Jesus. So, for 4 weeks.
For
Sa
weeks.
paghahanda. And then, meron din kami tatawag na Paris Recollection. So, meron kami inimbitahan na magbibigay sa amin ng talk para ihanda din ang mga parishioners regarding dito sa darating na Advent at Christmas, Pasko. And then, we have also, of course, pinag-uusapan na rin namin, siyempre, dapat magbibigay tayo ng gift-giving sa mga mahihirap.
So, na-mention niyo po, sister, balik lang po ako ng
Yung
konti.
paghahanda ng parokya.
Oo, kasi sa atin, sanay tayo na September 1, nagde-decorate na, di ba? Kita mo na yung streets, puno na ng mga parol, decorations, malls, bahay. Pero ang totoo po ba, ano yung, what is actually the liturgical schedule, kumbaga, di ba? Kung kailan nagsisimula ang Pasko. Maybe father, brother, sister, you can, let us know and give clarification also. Kailan ba nagsisimula ang preparations ng Pasko?
Generally, sa buong simbahan, start siya sa yung Christmas season na, yung evening ng 24. Doon na talaga nakalagay lahat.
That's the
ng
Christmas
ganun.
season.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero sa Philippines, may special consideration kasi allowed tayo ng yung simbang gabi. Yun yung Christmas preparation. Novena yon for Christmas. Inalaw yun ng Vatican sa atin. And so since konektado pa rin siya sa Christmas, pwede na pong maglagay ng paunti-unti. May bilin na, pero pwedeng wala pa si Jesus doon, Bible muna ilalagay as word. Mga ganong
Variations.
pwedeng lamb ang ilalagay doon sa gitna.
What's the importance, Father, of the preparation season?
If you have any great celebration that is coming, you would always prepare for it. So in the liturgical calendar, 2 great celebrations that we have. One is Easter, and then we have Christmas as well. So Easter is the greatest of all the celebrations. And then we are preparing for Christmas because it symbolizes 2 things, the birth of Christ, but also the promise of Christ's second coming. So in view of that, you are actually preparing your life in a very spiritual way. So you pause, you reflect, you don't engage with all the activities that you would have engaged throughout the year. But this is the time for you to, interiorize a lot of things. That's how you're actually preparing yourself for this great celebration.
Yes, I think that's something very important to catch, no?
Yes.
Lalo na for us, FRC fam. Sa Pilipinas, ang hirap. Pag sinabi mong Christmas season, September pa lang nga, it gets busier and busier. People have more schedules. People go on a rush sa mga malls. Sobrang traffic pag bare months. But it's important na even in the busy season, we take a step back and really look at the importance of Advent to prepare our hearts and ourselves for the coming of Jesus. Hirap nun. Kasi,
Pero ang ganda na sinabi ni Father. Kasi ang sinabi ni Father, by preparation, di ba, pag may family gathering. So parang yung whole stretch na yun, it's like a preparation for the coming of a family member.
ang galing. Alam mo na, favorite,
Na-excite ako,
yung season,
nag-goosebumps
nga,
ako.
yung season ng Christmas, it brings something in the air talaga.
Yes.
And it's something that we want to be prepared for, but something that we are definitely looking forward to. Kasi nga, ang
talagang
bilis, ilang ano
paghahanda.
na lang ang Pasko.
Hindi lang paghahanda, parang ngayon, di ba, bibigayan tayo ng gifts.
Oh.
Ready
Oo.
na ako.
Ako rin, ready na ako.
Ready na ba yung FRC fam
Oo.
para makita yung regalo
Sige,
natin?
o kayo muna ni Brother Renz, explain niyo kung bakit yun
Wait,
yung...
ikaw muna.
Ako ba muna?
Ikaw
Sige.
muna.
Di kasi sumunod sa rules si
Wait,
Char.
sumunod.
Feeling ko. Sige, so sa amin, we were talking about it. I was with Father Terence and Sister. So si Sister
Alam ko
Debbie,
yung back off.
nakita nga niya kanina yung pa-Holy Family na may Christmas tree. So that was our first option. And sobrang sakto, 550 daw, tapos tawad.
Nakatawad kayo.
Oo, hindi. Sila nga, hindi nga kailangan tumawad, binababa na nila.
Binigyan.
550 po, 500 na. Sabi, sige sister, ikot pa tayo. So ikot pa kami, may nakita kami na we feel like baka ito yung pwedeng mag-represent kayo siya. Medyo neutral. Alam nyo, medyo
Represent
sobrang
kayo
busy sa Dapitan Arcade. Very busy. Sabi nga ni sister, di ba? Parang lahat na lang ng kulay ng Pasko. Pinili namin yung walang kulay.
Okay.
This represents, na joke lang. Hindi, pakita na lang
My
namin.
soulless soul.
Ayan,
Joke.
so sabi namin, para maging, sabi ni Father,
Okay.
so that you remember to pray always and be an angel.
Oh, that's so hard.
This is an angel.
Be an angel.
Ayan.
This is so
diba,
cute.
nagpa-pray siya. Tapos may buhok pa siya, oh, parang
That
bark
is so
pa.
cute.
Weird.
Pwede ko gupitan pag trip ko.
So parang ito pwede mo ipatong sa mga shelf, isabit sa Christmas tree.
That's so cute.
Tapos nakatipid kami, ang balak na namin ni Sister. Sinama ko pa si Sister sa balak nun. Mag-merienda kami. Sister, hanap tayo ng mas mababa. So sabi niya, eto, we got this for 300.
Oh.
350, binaba nila 300. So may 200 pa kami. Sabi namin, bili kaya tayo ng isa pa. Hindi, yung rules isang item lang eh. So sorry, Chai, may merienda na lang namin. Anyways,
One item.
ang nangyari, lumabas kami tapos may beggar sa street. Tapos si Sister nag-initiate, bigay mo na lang yung 200. So in the spirit of Christmas and giving, this is for you, Chai, an angel. And we also have given the sukle on your behalf.
So ako na rin pala, hindi ko na kailangan mag-donate, no? Yun na yun.
Hindi naman. Hindi lang sukli-sukli ang donate natin ngayong Pasko, di
Oo
ba?
naman.
So yun.
This is so
Merry
cute.
Christmas from our team. Our team.
What?
Yeah, sila Father Terence.
Thank you, Father.
And
Thank you, Sister. Thank you, Mother. Very cute. I love this. Okay. Okay. In
Oh.
my defense,
Mag-explain na siya kung
FRC
bakit
fam.
hindi siya sumunod sa rules.
sinunod ko yung budget. Okay, sinunod
Oo.
ko yung budget. And lahat naman may symbolism.
Ang emphasis one item. Pero sige,
Hindi siya
I'll take the gifts.
Hindi siya one item kasi magaling tayo mag-budget. And marami tayong symbolism. Sweet. Gusto ko
Okay.
in order of the items.
O sige,
Okay.
i-symbolize mo yan. Ba't ako kinakabahan na dapat ako?
Uy, maganda to.
Baka
Okay.
yung Santa. May nakita ko Santa nasa banyo eh. Parang weird.
So the first item that I got, haul na to. First item that I got, nakita ko talaga to. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi multi-purpose siya. And gusto ko
Okay.
yung, kasi nga mag-move in siya sa bago niyang place.
Wow.
Gusto ko ng something naman na may meaning but also multi-purpose. So of course, what is Christmas without a Christmas
Tama.
tree?
Hey!
This one I got
Sorry.
for 100 pesos.
Wow!
Oh, and it's not just a figurine. Vase siya.
Ceramic siya.
Oh, ceramic. Oh, tapos vase siya. Pwede mo lagyan yung holes ng stems of flower. Okay, that is the first item for 100
Thank you,
pesos.
Chay.
Okay.
Wow, dami naman.
Second item.
Sabi one item lang ah.
Okay, pasok naman siya sa budget. Thank you, Father Terence. The second item, ito, gusto ko naman siya kasi aside from it being display to your new home, may meaning din siya. It symbolizes Christmas. Napaulit-ulit nating pinag-uusapan.
Preparation for Christmas.
Oh!
Wow! Ganda
It
naman
says
ito.
joy.
Wow,
Yeah.
ganda.
So
May
that your
Belen-
home may forever
Belen
be a
pa.
place of joy.
Okay, nahiya na ako sa gift ko. Joke lang.
So that is the second item.
Kanto na ko ha?
This one naman, so 350 siya originally. Tumawad ako ng 300.
Okay, so may 100 pesos pa sila.
So may 100 pesos pa. Syempre, ubusin natin
Marami
yung
talaga
budget.
kayong makukuha for 500
I
sa
know.
Dapitan, guys.
See, yun yung point ko talaga, ipakita sa kanila na worth
Okay.
it pumunta. Yung last kong gift, okay, this one symbolic siya as a Pinoy.
Okay.
Okay, I wanted something na madidisplay mo and would always represent our
Pinoy
culture.
pride.
Yes, so for 100 pesos, I got you a
Ay,
parol.
ang cute. Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
sabit mo
this is
sa
nice.
kahit saan.
Thank you. FRC fam and try.
Ano yung gift ko?
Galing.
Oh,
Ito.
sinamahan ako ni brother. Sabi ko, brother, maganda ba tong gift na to? Oh.
So,
Lagi niya
siya
ako
nakakuha ng literal angel, but also, naging angel ka kanina sa nabigyan namin.
Oo. Yes.
And I got some Christmas spirit. Thank you so much. Oo nga, sorry.
Wah!
Baka may mabasag kasi.
Ang cute kaya.
Oo, parang
Gusto
parang
ko makita
natawa
yung-
nga manood si Brother Ren sa'yo mag-shopping kanina.
Ang kulit ko, lipat-lipat ako sa kuya. Magkano?
Naiikot niyo talaga yung napitan. Yeah.
Ayan. So, FRC family, if you get the chance, mahaba pa ang panahon, pumunta kayo sa Dapitan Arcade.
Yes.
Kasi marami kayong mabibili that could be meaningful gifts and decorations to your own homes for this season of joy.
Yes. Ay, ito, sorry, nababa.
Season of joy and
Season
of
of
course,
joy.
family. And holy family over this.
And don't forget, this is a time of preparation. Ayan, marami pa tayong time to actually prepare, both literally, but of course, more importantly, spiritually, as Jesus is coming.
Yes, and to our FRC fam, sana natuwa din kayo dahil sa naman shopping, but also nakilala natin ang ating mga guests. Baka meron kayong mga last messages for this Christmas season to our FRC
Or
fam.
actually, Advent season.
Advent
Yeah.
season. Father Terrence.
Love. Yeah, actually, it is supposed to be the birth of Jesus. Now, that's the celebration that we have, and it's really important that we prepare ourselves inwardly as much as possible. Especially, we know that there is a lot of distractions around, but sometime to get to ourselves, to be in touch with ourselves, to let Jesus be born right in your hearts. And therefore, this being also the season where we exchange gifts, you can be a gift to somebody else. So, if you have love, this is a free gift that we can distribute to everybody else. So accommodate others into your life, and you yourself be a gift to others.
Yes, very.
Ganda.
Actually, that is my favorite gift to my family. My
Myself.
gift for you this year is my love,
Oo.
which is the most important of all.
Hindi madali mag-love. So,
Hirap yung
that
kayang
is a gift worth giving. Okay.
Yes.
So, FRC fam, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa aming Dapitan tour.
Yes.
Tour talaga.
Adventure.
Oh, adventure for today. And sana, again, you're inspired to prepare well for this Advent season para mas masaya ang ating Christmas.
Yes. And thank you again, FRC fam, for coming with us. This is Shai.
And Rap, to leave you with the wise words of Venerable Patrick Peyton that
The family that prays together stays together.
and a world at prayer is a world at peace.
Bye!
God bless everyone. A
Merry
blessed Advent
Secret.
season. Yay!
Thank you.
Salamat
thank you,
po.
brother. Thank you, sister. Father!